Kitchen. Today we make veg pizza. You like pizza? Yummy pizza. Okay, let's make pizza. Guys, I have pizza ingredients. Okay, let's take a bowl. Okay guys, let's take a bowl. Okay guys, let's add some flour. Let's take the yeast with warm water. Let's put the yeast into the flour. Friends, let's add 1 tablespoon of salt. Two tablespoons of sugar. Mix. Mix carefully. After mix, let's add water. Now I prepared dough, friends. Now we add 2 drops of oil. Now we spread the oil. Wait for 10 minutes. Okay friends, 10 minutes is done. Now let's make pizza base. Let's open. Put this dough guys, it's double. Okay, let's make pizza base. Add some flour. Put the dough. Okay guys, let's put some holes. Okay guys, now add some pizza sauce. Let's spread the sauce. Let's do it slowly. Now we spread some cheese, friends. Now add some vegetables. Let's add capsicum. Now add some olive. Now add some tomato. Now I add some corn. Now add some onion. Now add some cheese. Finish. Now put a pan. Let's on the stove. Okay, now we add pizza. Wait for 5 minutes. Look guys, it's cooking. Look guys, the pizza is ready. It's so colorful and vegetarian. Let's off the stove. So yummy. It smells so yummy. What are you cutting? Oh, it's pizza, my brother. Let's come eat. Okay. Okay, come taste. Okay. It's so yummy. Like, subscribe and support to Varnika Likit channel. Bye bye.